Hey everybody, Brian back with you at Strong Tower, and today bringing you a video on hip turns. And so fantastic way to work on change of direction and opening up our stance from an athletic posture. By the way, I'm a Z-Health movement specialist, functional aging specialist. And so in the hip turn, we're going to start with T-step. And if you don't know what the T-step is, you can go back to the last video. This is from Z-Health Performance S-Phase course. And so from studying over the years elite athletes and how they move, that's kind of where some of these movements were birthed and pulled from, so that we can help you move as efficiently and confidently as possible as you navigate the world, or you're doing sports with your grandkids, or maybe you're an elite athlete yourself. So we're going to go ahead and walk forward, drop into what's called T-step. So the feet go out to the side. We're at about a double shoulder width. I have weight on the instep of the foot so that I can react and push right, react and push left. Hands are up, so I'm in this athletic posture. From there, the hip turns, I have these PVCs laid out so that we can go into just getting a visual of what a 45-degree hip turn would look like first. So we're going to start small, start with 45 degrees. I have a little tuck in the pelvis, and I'm going to think about pulling my navel or my belt buckle area, if I had a belt on. We're going to pull that to the right or pull it to the left. We're still in this athletic posture. Feet are not coming up very high off the floor in this hip turn. So I want to stay close to the ground because I'm going to produce force into the ground, and that's going to help me go where I want to go. So I don't want to do one of these big like jump and land things to the side. It's just coming up. Maybe we have a coach cueing you to drop, and then point to turn and come back, point, turn, and come back. So that's on a 45. If people are comfortable and confident there, then we can kick it up to a 90-degree turn. And so same thing, we'd come in, T-step, athletic position, make sure weight's on the instep of the foot, and we're solid there with a little pelvic tuck. From there, there's a direction change. Again, we're ripping the pelvis through, quick turn to the side, focusing on turning that belt buckle. And again, feet are just sort of hovering almost over the floor, and we're still in that athletic stance. From there, there's different steps to start to accelerate or take off. Like if we do make a decision, hey, I need to go that way, I'm gonna run that way. There's some other steps to string these together in sequence to start taking off. So guys, thanks for checking out the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel. If it was helpful, share with a friend. And if you do have questions or comments, you can drop those in the comment section below. And thanks so much. We will bring you more great free content. So remember, do subscribe to the channel. Thanks.